everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. As you know, in the last video of our Stepn tutorial, we learned how can we choose the best sneakers to buy on Stepn. In today's video, we will learn how can we calculate our potential earnings and the optimal point distribution. Before we start, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button in order to get the priceless contents for free every day. And also you can join our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Instagram and Telegram to get our every content. If you're ready, let's start. Stepn.guide is a website which shows us the potential GST earnings of our sneakers. You can enter this website on your computer or phone. All you have to do after entering is filling up those blanks. I have to remind you that this website is unofficial and it's based on community data. So it's mostly true, but with the new updates on Stepn application and system changes, Stepn.guide might give you less accurate predictions for a little while. In my experience, the data and predictions which I got from this website were mostly accurate, and that's why I'm teaching you this website. After you fill those blanks, you will see the potential GST earnings of your sneaker. Then you can calculate your return of investment, how much you will earn daily, or how long will it take to level up your sneakers just by earning GSTs while walking. Also, you can calculate the potential daily earnings of the sneakers which are on the marketplace to compare them. Let's use a sneaker which I am seeing on the marketplace right now as an example. It's a level 5 common jogger. Let's make it. Our rarity is common, our type will be jogger, and our sneaker level is 5. And if you have only one pair of sneakers, your daily energy will be 2, as it's seen on our screen. If you don't know the energy system, we will talk about it in the coming videos of our tutorial. Subscribe to our channel and do not miss out any of those videos. Now let's look at the attributes. We will start filling the attributes with the base points. Its base points for each attributes are 8.1, 6.9, 6.1 and 2.7. Now it's time for the crucial tool, which is Optimize. You can click on the Optimize button to see the best point distribution for your sneakers according to its level. Let's hit the button and see what is the optimal distribution for this one. As you can see, the optimal distribution for the sneaker is making the efficiency 24.1 and making the resilience 6.7. With this distribution, as you can see on the right side of my screen, our daily GST earnings will be maximized with upgrading efficiency to earn more GST and upgrading resilience to spend less GST while repairing our sneakers. If you do not know how to earn GST or how to repair our sneakers, do not forget to click on the Stepn tutorial link in the descriptions of this video in order to learn them with their full details. At the bottom right of your screen, you can see your potential daily GST earnings. Durability decrease of your sneaker per day if you spend your full energy and the amount of GST which you have to pay in order to repair them. And at the top side you can see your net income, which is your total earnings minus the repair cost. And also we can see with this pair of sneakers we do not have any chance to drop a mystery box. We will mention the mystery boxes and how to get them in the coming videos. Now let's talk about calculating our return of investment. Let's say you have paid $700 for this shoe, and as you can see, you will earn 6.56 GSTs per day. If you look at the price of GST, it's nearly $3 right now. This means you will earn $19.61 per day. If you divide 700 with 19.61, you will get 35.69, which is your return of investment. This means if GST price and your daily income stays the same every day, you will get the money back which you have paid for your sneakers in the middle of the 36th day. Do not forget that if the GST price goes up, your return of investment will be shorter, and if the GST price goes down, your return of investment will be longer. And that's the end of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed it. You can leave a comment below to ask your questions, or you can join our Telegram channel. See you in the next one.